Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin on a treadmill. First, ensure your watch is fully charged and ready for activity. Navigate to the activity menu and select treadmill as your workout type. This setting disables GPS, relying instead on your arm swing and stride length for distance estimation. It's crucial to have this selected for accurate indoor tracking. We'll cover calibration next. Calibrating your Garmin watch is key for accurate treadmill data. After your first treadmill run, your watch will prompt you to calibrate. Run a known distance, like 1 mile or 1.6 kilometers, and then manually adjust the distance on your watch to match the treadmill's display. This teaches your Garmin your unique stride, improving future distance and pace readings significantly. Aim for at least 2 or 3 calibration runs. During your treadmill run, keep an eye on your Garmin's display for real-time metrics like pace, heart rate, and elapsed time. Maintain a consistent arm swing, as this helps your watch estimate distance more accurately. Try to avoid holding onto the handrails for extended periods, as this can skew your data. Focus on your form and enjoy your workout, aiming for at least 20 minutes of continuous movement for good data. Once your treadmill workout is complete, press the stop button on your Garmin and then save the activity. You can review a summary of your run directly on the watch, including total distance, average pace, and calories burned. Sync your watch with the Garmin Connect app to dive deeper into your performance metrics and track your progress over time. This data is invaluable for your fitness journey, helping you see improvements over weeks and months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.